Assessment in schools typically involves evaluating students' learning, understanding, and skills to measure their progress and performance. The assessment process may vary depending on the educational system, grade level, and specific goals of the assessment. Here are some common methods used for assessment in schools. 1. Formative assessment. This type of assessment occurs during the learning process to provide feedback and guide instruction. It helps teachers understand students' strengths and weaknesses and adjust their teaching accordingly. Formative assessment methods include classroom discussions, quizzes, surveys, observations, and homework assignments. 2. Summative assessment. Summative assessments are usually administered at the end of a unit, semester, or academic year to evaluate students' overall learning and achievement. Examples of summative assessments include final exams, standardized tests, projects, research papers, and presentations. 3. Objective tests. These assessments typically consist of multiple choice, true/false, or matching questions. They aim to measure students' factual knowledge, comprehension, and ability to recall information. 4. Subjective assessments. Subjective assessments involve open-ended questions, essays, or problem-solving tasks that require students to demonstrate their critical thinking, analysis, and creativity. These assessments are designed to evaluate higher-order thinking skills and the depth of students' understanding. 5. Performance assessments. Performance assessments assess students' ability to apply their knowledge and skills in real-world contexts. Examples include laboratory experiments, presentations, debates, demonstrations, and simulations. 6. Portfolios. Portfolios are collections of students' work samples that showcase their progress and achievements over time. They may include written assignments, projects, artwork, or recordings of performances. Portfolios allow for a comprehensive and holistic assessment of students' skills, growth, and development. 7. Observations. Teachers often observe students' behavior, participation, and interactions in the classroom to assess their social skills, communication abilities, and engagement in learning. It's important to note that assessment practices can vary across different educational systems and institutions. Teachers and schools may use a combination of these methods to gather a comprehensive understanding of students' learning and progress. The purpose of assessment is to inform instructional decisions, provide feedback to students, and ensure that educational goals are being met.